some more.
Welcome to Abhi Tutors. So in this video we are going to be making something which you really wanted as a pet but your parents didn't give you. It's origami parrot, which also holds on my finger. See, it's got beak, it's got an eye which we made from a marker, and it's got beautiful feathers and some nice little detailing. So if you want to know how to make this, let's get started. Take the paper, fold it into a triangle, just like that. Open it and fold the triangle on the other side. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to make something kind of a crane, but we are going to skip some of the starting steps. I mean, just do till the starting, the base. Okay, so open it, just fold this one, and now fold it down. Right there. And now fold it there. Just like that. Now open it, fold it like this, then fold this line just like that, then press it, and then fold this line again to this side. Just fold this part, edge proper, and then fold it this side. So here we have made the starting part, the base part of the crane, and now we are going to do some more steps that are similar to crane. We are going to fold it like this. By the way guys, if you don't know how to make crane, check out the channel. You can know how to make crane. Okay, just like that. Open it, and now fold these flaps inside. Just like that. Press it properly and fold this flap inside too. Just like that. See? And now we are going to start making the changes. Instead of doing the same on this side, we are going to change it. We are going to open this flap just like that. Okay? Just press it. Now fold it this side and repeat the same on this flap. Just like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this flap and this one, crease it, and you're gonna open it and you're gonna adjust this whole flap with the interior line. So basically you're gonna fold it like this, just push it, see, just like that. Just push it, crease it, and repeat the same on this side. Just like that. So that to make sure if you have done the proper, you can just check that if this center line aligns with this line and these 2 points meet together at the center line. So you're going to repeat this same step on this side. So I'm going to do it. Just like that. Okay, so the next step is you're going to take one flap up and you're going to put this part like that. You see this whole part, you're going to align it with this line, just making a center right there. So I'll just zoom in so that you can see. You see, you're gonna take this flap, this part, and you're gonna align it with this part so that it's like kind of making a center cut. Just press it, and now you're gonna push this part in front so that it aligns with this part, just like that. You see, like that. Press it properly and repeat the same on this side. Open it, fold it till the middle, right there, and just push this flap out and press it. Just like that. See? Next step is you're gonna fold these flaps inside like this. So if you have trouble doing that, what you can do is you can just push this part in front. Okay, just push it, trying to make folds like that, and you can just fold it so that it makes a triangle like this. So you have no need to worry. All you need to do is just align this with the bottom part, and if you have made one, the other one is more simple, as you just need to align it with this part. Just like that. Press it and repeat the same on this side. So I'm gonna do it. Just like that. So the next step is you're gonna fold this part till the middle, right there, just like that. See? Just make the folds as proper as possible and repeat the same on this side. Just like that. Okay? Now press it once. And now repeat the same on this side and on this side. So we are gonna repeat the both sides. Just try to push it as far as it can go. And on this side too. You know, if you are using a thick paper like mine, it will start to get thicker and thicker. See? Like that. Okay? And now you need to take this whole flap down and just fold it like this. Okay, just press it. Adjust it a bit, see? Right there. So this is basically the tail, okay? And these are going to be the wings, these two. And this is the front part. We'll just make it. And now fold these flaps inside. Just fold it properly. And you can just leave the a bit of gap in the bottom so that it doesn't look too pointy. Okay, just fold it till some part like that. Okay, so as you can see, it doesn't look pointy, so it looks good right there. Just press it once, and then you're going to take this part. Before taking, you can just fold this flap, take this part down till there. So, and you can just push it like this so that these lines come as feathers, just one lines, so that it looks just like feathers. And fold this excess part like this and push it inside right there. Okay, so we got some feathers too. Just press it and repeat the same this side. I'm just gonna open this flap a bit, yeah, so that it looks like feathers. Right there. Then fold this flap inside. Just push it inside and just press it tightly so that it doesn't open, like that. And as you can see, our parrot is almost coming to shape. Just push these legs down so that it holds on our finger like that. Okay, press the whole stuff. And one last thing, just push this part like this and put two of your fingers here and just press it like that. Okay, and then push these flaps on that right there, see, just like that. And now for the head part, all you gotta do is you're gonna fold this flap like this and fold it down, and then fold it down one more time, and fold it inside. Okay, so one last step, you need to fold this down and you need to take it inside like that and just adjust the head. Just press it and you just turn it so that it makes a curve, not like a box. Okay, So here's our parrot, and it also stops on my finger, as you can see. Ta-da! But wait, I think something's missing, which is its eyes. So I'm going to take the marker and make its eyes. Okay? Right there. See? Little parrot's eyes. And now it's the parrot with eyes, with beak, with feathers, with wings, and with a tail, and with legs. Wow, nice rhyming. So guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share for some amazing videos and some amazing animals Pokeballs. Thank you.